Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm
Good
good, sir.
morning.
How are you? Have a
Yeah,
seat, sir.
thank you.
So, tell us how we can help you, sir.
Firstly, I visit. I first time I visit your shop, and I want to buy one teddy bear from
Okay.
your shop. Yeah,
Okay. So, is it for a special occasion?
yeah. Because my elder sister, I want to buy for my elder sister because of his birthday,
Her birthday, because of
because
her.
of her birthday. So
Okay.
that's why.
So, any preference for the color? Any favorite color?
Yeah, mostly I like the color, red color, and looking like a heart type of, and soft, and looking very uh, like interesting, fabulous.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have variety of teddy bears. I'll show you, and then you can pick
Yes.
whatever you
Yes.
like. Okay. Any size that you want, like very small or bigger? Uh, what kind of? If you can tell a bit.
Firstly, you can show me all the sizes of teddy bears.
How old is she? Your younger sister, or is she elder?
Yes, she is elder sister.
So how old is she?
She is more than 25 year old.
Yeah, so we have some options, and I'll show start with the first very tiny one, and this is like you can play with it in a blue color, and you can carry it's like you can carry it anywhere where you want to go, like in the car, and people mostly like hang it in the car too, so it looks beautiful. So look at it.
It's looking like very interesting, but it's too much little. She
Okay.
is elder, and this toy is looking like for kids, I think.
Okay.
So please
Yeah.
show me another, the bigger from this.
So we have this one. It's also very soft and cute. This is like in demand. Many people have already purchased a few from here.
Hmm.
What do you think of this? Let's just have a look.
It's looking like very amazing, but the color is like white and green. I don't like this color mostly.
Okay,
Yeah,
no
yeah,
problem.
this is very soft,
Mhm.
but I don't like. Please show me another.
Hmm. So as you mentioned, one in heart shape. So let me show you another which is in heart shape. Here you can see this one. This one is in heart shape, and
Okay,
this.
but it's something broken. You can see.
Sir,
Yeah,
you can adjust a little bit. Right
little bit,
now, yeah,
but
we can
okay.
order a new one for you if you want. Like, if you want exactly the same, then we can order for you.
Okay, it's looking very pretty much very good. You can see, guys. I like this teddy bear. It's small and
And
looking
if you
very love.
want
Yeah.
entirely in red color, as you mentioned that you are fond of red color, then here you go. It's also very small, cute, soft in red color, and but not in heart shape. That was your preference. Not in heart shape, but in red color.
But it's looking like very fabulous,
Yeah,
and
it's from
we
the
can
Thrive
use in
brand.
car. Thrive brand.
Yeah, it's from the
Okay.
Thrive brand. Have you heard?
Yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
heard about Try to Thrive brand.
yeah, it's from Thrive brand. So,
Yeah, we use it in our car, like
and it's easy to
at
wash at
mirror.
home itself. You can easily
Hmm.
wash and dry. Yeah, and it's for safe for kids also. Like if any kid wants to play with it, it's very safe and handy and soft.
Looking very nice. You can
Yeah.
see, guys, it's very nice, and I want to purchase this. Okay, and how much does it is cost?
As I mentioned, it's from the Thrive brand, so
Mhm.
its cost is 25,000.
25,000.
Yeah,
But why it's too much high cost? I think, guys, it's
as
very high cost.
yeah, but you are purchasing a branded one.
I know branded,
It
but
would not you would not see any complaint with it. I mean, it would last for a long period of time,
mhm.
and it's so soft, and see the fabric, it's very premium quality material is used in it.
But in marketplace,
But
there are so
and the
many.
color is also, it's like the mostly people purchase this color, pink, either pink or red. So the
Mhm.
color is also premium and the material is also used premium quality of material, and that is why it's a bit maybe
I-
expensive, but I can give you a 10% discount on it.
I totally agree with you, but at marketplace there are so many teddy like this, and they are very cheapest price. And you telling me 25,000 is too much high. Please give me a discount. You can.
Yeah, as I mentioned, I can give you a 10% discount as you are here for the very first time, so we don't want to disappoint you.
Guys, in 10% discount.
Sir, you would definitely love this product, and your sister would love this product, and you would revisit our shop. That I can guarantee you.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, please pick up this.
So, how would you like to make the payment?
Ma'am, it's too much high cost for me. Like 10% is not good for me, I think. Please give me more discount, like 20%. Then I will
Okay.
definitely buy this.
Okay, sir. Then you can proceed with 20,000.
20%.
But
Okay.
yeah. Okay, and we would just pack it for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, would you like to make the payment through UPI, or would you like to?
Yeah, firstly,
with card or
I'm telling
cash?
to you, you can wrap up all the in
It would happen just in.
gift box and right.
Okay, sure, sir. And that
Yeah.
would be free from our side. Yeah.
Okay, I give you payment by via UPI ID.
Okay.
Another QR
Here
code.
is the QR.
Okay, let's. Okay,
Thank you so much, sir, for visiting,
done.
and we will welcome you whenever you need any kind of gift for any particular occasion. Just visit our shop. Here you go, sir.
Thank you. Guys, I purchased this from the Thrive brand from because they manufacturing teddy bear. And if you like to purchase teddy bear, then you definitely reach out, try to Thrive brand, and you buy the teddy bear from there. You can see there in
This is
their
the bigger
shop
one.
there are so many teddy bears, and you can buy from there.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, most welcome. Bye.
So, guys, it was a conversation between a customer and a shopkeeper. And in between, maybe if we made any mistake, because we have done it for the very first time, and we'll try doing more conversations. It's like this. So, watch if you have watched all it till the end. Do like the hit button and do hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and share with other learners too. We will see you
Okay.
in the next one.
Bye.